Join any Discord server without an invite. Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to join any Discord server without an invite. If you want to join any server, open the Discord app. Make sure to log in or sign up for your account. Here, tap on the plus icon on the left panel. To join a server, hit the Join a Server button. After that, it will show you the area to add the invite link. To enter the link, type https and then 2 dots. Then, add 2 slashes and type discord.gg. Now, add the slash and enter the server name. For demonstration, I want to join the cheese server, so I am typing cheese. Hit the Join with Invite Link button. If you want to join the server, you can hit the Join Link button. If not, you can simply hit the Not Thanks button. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.